Hi, today is a short video on how to remove a layer of ice and snow from your driveway, hopefully concrete. Now if you notice, we had a little bit of precipitation last night in the form of first freezing rain, then sleet, and then snow. Now it was stuck to my driveway and I couldn't get it up with the snow shovel. So I pulled out my trusty garden shovel. Now this is a flat-edged garden shovel, you can see. And instead of using an ice chopper, which by the way takes a lot of effort, I use this guy. And if you watch, he slips right underneath and gets it, loosens it. So then I can go back with the snow shovel. Now this is really easy. Oh, unless you hit a hump in your driveway. There it is. And it just pries it up. Now if we go over here, this has been run over. Let's see. Now usually if it's hard to get up, I cut an edge. And then, oh yeah, there she goes. I slip it under. And there's another one. So, chop off the edge. And then it gets it. It's one of the easiest ways I found. It does not take effort. Not even to do that, because I just grab it. And it just slips right under. So there you go. The easy way to chop ice was not really chopping ice. It's slipping it up with the shovel, with this guy. Thanks for stopping by.